Hi, here we have Moody takes 30 seconds to finish riding an escalator if he walks on it at his normal speed in the same direction. Okay, so we basically have an escalator, like let's say this is the escalator, and let's say the escalator is going up. Now if Moody is trying to go up, it takes him 30 seconds. So let's say the speed of escalator is E and Moody's speed is M. Both the speeds are in steps per second. So if Moody is trying to go up on a moving up escalator, he would take 30 seconds. Also, let's assume the number of steps is n. So we can form an equation here that the number of steps n, distance traveled is speed into time, right? So if Moody is trying to go up, total distance traveled is n, which is equal to time taken 30 into speed. Now what is the speed while going up? Since he is going up on a moving up escalator, the speed will be m plus e. Moody's speed plus escalator's speed. So n is equal to 30 times of m plus e, which is 30m plus 30e. Let's say this is the first equation. Now in the second case, if he walks at his normal speed, this is the first case. Now he will take only 20 seconds to finish riding the escalator if he walks at twice his normal speed in the same direction. Now if his speed becomes twice, that is 2m, now obviously if he is going faster, he will reach earlier. So now the time taken is 30 seconds. So again we can form this equation. The total distance traveled has to be n steps. This total distance is time into speed. Now time is 20 seconds and the speed of going up will become Moody's speed, which is 2m now, plus escalator speed. So n becomes 40m plus 20e. This is second equation. Okay. Now let's solve these two equations. Since the left hand side of both is same, okay, let's not even solve this. What we have to figure out is, let's see that first. We need to figure out if Moody decides to stand still on the escalator, then the time in seconds needed to finish riding the escalator. So if Moody's speed becomes 0, how long will it take now? Now the time taken will be the distance to be covered divided by speed of going up. Since Moody's speed is 0, he will now travel only at escalator speed, which is e. So the time taken now will be n by e. So we don't actually have to calculate the value of n and e, we just need the ratio of n and e. So how can we calculate ratio of n and e? We have these two equations. Let's eliminate m. We don't want m, right? So let's eliminate m. So let's multiply this with 4 and this with 3 and subtract. So what we are doing is first equation with multiplied by 4 and subtract second equation multiplied with 3. So we'll have 4 into n, which is equal to 4 times of 30, which is 120m plus 120e, and we are subtracting thrice of the second equation, which is 3n is equal to 120m plus 60e. So let's subtract. 4n minus 3n is n is equal to 120m minus 120m is 0, 120e minus 60e is 60e. So n is equal to 60e, so n upon e is equal to 60 seconds. That's what we needed, right? N upon e. So number of steps upon e steps per second, the speed gives us 60 seconds. Hence the time taken by Moody to go up when he is standing still, that means when he is only traveling at escalator speed, is 60 seconds. So the answer to this question is 60 seconds here. Thank you.